What's up everyone? This is my 2017 MT-09 that I just got maybe 2 weeks ago. One thing that I liked but didn't like about the bike was the big fender on the back wheel just there. So I was looking around online and all the, big name Fender Eliminator kits like TST or Mustard here in Australia, and I don't know, there's a few others, there's a whole bunch of them, but they're all like, some of them are over $100, some of them a little bit under $100, some are a lot over $100, like $160. And so I thought, I could probably do something myself that's a lot cheaper and looks just as good. So that's exactly what I did. This is my DIY Fender Eliminator for any MT-09. Basically it works on any year model. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to do it and what you need, and maybe you guys can do this at home. So this Fender Eliminator sent me back $41, I think, something like that. So the only thing you need that's relatively expensive is this axle block right here. That cost me, it's about $40. It cost me $40 at least. You can find them a bit more. TST ones are a little bit pricier. That one I found, which is from, I bought it secondhand, but not secondhand, but new off someone that was selling it. But I think you can get them from a whole bunch of different places in Australia. I'm not sure. You'll have to look into that yourself, as I got mine from a private owner. Next thing you will need is a bunch of these. Well, 2 of these, but they come in packs of about 6. And these, I got this at Bunnings or any local DIY store for about $1 for like 6 of them. It was about $2, I think, for 6 of these. And they're just little metal L brackets. And basically that's what you're going to be putting just under here to hold that on. I know it looks a bit loosey-goosey, but that's just the bottom plastic bending a little bit. It's very stable. So what you want to do, I can't show you, obviously, I've already done it all and I don't have any tools with me, but it's easy as pie. You got 2 screws under here. You guys will see if you look at the bottom of your MT-09, you got 2 black screws, and you will notice that they're only just slightly wider. Actually, they're just slightly smaller than the width of a Australian license plate. I'm assuming it's the same for any other license plate in the world, but basically what I had to do is I got a drill and I had to drill some new holes a little bit closer to the center of the license plate, just so the bolts would fit on, and now they fit well. So what you want to do, you want to get this, you want to screw it on using the existing bolts that were underneath your MT-09 seat. And then you want to get like a clamp or something, and you want to compress it down to make the angle a bit sharper. As you can see, that's 90 degrees. You want to bend it down to about 45 degrees. That just gives it its, angled look of it, instead of just coming straight down like that. And once that's done, you want to just get some, I think these are M5 10mm bolts. You just want to get a couple of them with some nuts on the end, and just, that's all you got to do. You put your license plate on, and it's as easy as that. Once you do that and your axle block comes in the mail, all you got to do is take off this nut here. It's a little bit hard if your bike's new like mine was, but you just got to take that nut off, take off that little plastic rivet there and that bolt right there, slide off this cover. It slides outwards towards the back of the bike. Unplug the license plate light, which is right there. Leave that wire connected in, slide this back on, put that back in, and then you can just pull off the fender off the side of the bike, and it's as easy as that. Once you've done that, reinstall this axle bolt instead of the fender. Make sure your bike rear wheel is still aligned properly. You guys may notice that I do not have a license plate light just yet. That is coming in the mail in probably today, actually. I only did this earlier today, by the way, so I haven't been riding around with it without a license plate light, at least not at night time. So all I'm going to be doing is getting like a little LED strip and putting it under there, and then just wiring it in to the running light or whatever it needs to wire into, and it's as easy as that. So I think I covered everything, guys. It costs just over $40 AUD. If you're buying it brand new, maybe 40 USD. Nothing over 40 USD, at least in my case. All you got to do is buy some of these L brackets, buy the right block. I think there's only one block you can buy, axle block for the rear wheel, and that's it, bro. You just gotta take off the fender and put on the axle block and screw in your new license plate bracket into the bolts under the seat, and it's as easy as that. Now, I'm not hating on big name Fender Eliminator kits. I just think this looks just as good, and you can just buy it at your local hardware store. I don't know about you guys, I think that looks pretty good. Makes the bike look way better. The only thing I need now is I'm going to be buying the TST. My bike's a bit dirty, I know, you don't have to say it. I'm going to be buying the TST Industries integrated tail light so I can get rid of these, and then the tail of the bike will just be nice and sleek looking. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I want to try to get the 10,000 subscribers as quick as I can. You know, we're nearly there, so if we can do that, that'd be awesome. Make sure you give a like on this video if I helped you out, or if you guys are going to try this at home. Make sure you, if you have any questions or anything, just comment below. I'll answer all the comments below. If you have any questions about any of this and you want to do this yourself at home, just let me know if you've got any questions or if I missed anything. I'm going to keep riding this thing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.